Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you a set of new 3D dual layer tailgate insert letters. Also, you will see how to remove an existing decal if you have any, and the installation of a new one. These are 3D raised decal letters that comes in red with black outline and also comes in black with red outline. This is a replacement for an existing decal that I have, so the first step in my case is to remove it from the tailgate. If you have a heat gun, you can use it to facilitate the removal process. Otherwise, you can just do what I did. I remove all letters just using my hands without any tool, and then use a product designed for the emblem removal. I apply the product directly over the remaining tape and around it. Then I use a tool that came with it to remove the tape. I repeated this process 3 times until I completely remove all remaining tape underneath. Now let's start with the new decal install. First, you have to clean the area as much as possible. You can use water or alcohol, and then make sure it is dry. These letters can be easily removed from the sticker paper where it comes. Be aware that there is no way back once you put the letter on the tape. And what I mean is that the tape is really strong, and once it is in place, you won't be able to remove it without breaking the tape. So make sure to take the time and try to place it in the correct spot from the first try. I really encourage you to do it by yourself. It is very easy to do, and in the worst case scenario, you just buy a new double stick tape or maybe a heat gun if you have one to remove the letter and place back again. Well, this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. Remember to hit that subscribe button below if you are interested in more do-it-yourself videos related to your Tundra. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.